Hello there, my name's Gary McKeating, Head of Community and Development for Sellafield Limited, and I'm here at Whitehaven Marina to check out the first of our sea bins, which has been recently installed, and it's part of our 6 Social Impact Multiplied funding. So I'm joined by Stephen from Whitehaven Harbour Youth Project just to tell me a little bit about the sea bin that was installed last week.
Okay, so this is one of our first sea bins of 6 that we put in on Friday. It's basically a bin in the water that sucks through the water, and it siphons out the plastics, the large plastics and the microplastics down to 2 millimetres. It can hold about 20 kilograms worth of plastic at any one time before it needs emptied. And we're emptying it probably about 2-3 times a day at the minute. Certain areas of the marina have more problems than others, so we need to pull that out a little bit more. It's also affected by, the wind and the rain, and when it washes down through the culverts, that tends to bring more litter into the marina. And also on nice sunny days where we have a lot of people walking along the promenade, it tends to blow out the bin sometimes, or it just get dropped onto the floor, and it all ends up in the water. And this is, putting these 6 sea bins in, which we hope to get 1 in each month for the next 5 months, and we'll have a total of 7 sea bins in. We'll hopefully clear up the marina. It'll look a lot better, and it will also be, a lot cleaner for our groups that we use in the marina premises to go canoeing and do other water activities.
So this is a real example of social impact multiplied, because we've worked with a range of partners to bring these sea bins to the marina. The Whitehaven Marina are putting in an awful lot of time and effort, so thank you to them. The Harbour Youth Project, those guys actually came to us with the project itself, and also the Harbour Commissioners have been involved as well. So it's really important when we're developing projects that a range of partners are involved, and this is a fantastic example.